Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2012 Ram 2500 and 3500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt the truck's bed and lift it to create working clearance. Remove the fuel tank and set it aside. Remove any fuel lines, brake lines, brackets, or clips from the work area. Remove the rear shock on the passenger side if necessary. Step 3. This over-axle frame repair kit covers the section of frame that houses the upper shock mount and the bump stop. You have two options. Option 1. Remove the factory upper shock mount and replace it later. Option 2. Keep the factory upper shock mount and remove the perforation in the repair section that accommodates it. The bump stop must be removed either way. This repair kit includes a replacement bump stop mount. Save the factory bump stop mounting bracket for reuse. Step 4. Hold the repair section up to the frame rail and mark the coverage area. Cut along the bottom of the frame rail where the section will install. Remove approximately 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of material. Step 5. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Slide the repair section into place using the frame holes for alignment. Use a hammer to seat the section snug on the frame rail. C-clamp the repair section in place and confirm alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the section in place, then fully weld all edges. Step 6. If the upper shock mount was removed earlier, install the replacement now. Install the bump stop and its mounting bracket using the included hardware. 2 M10 flange hex bolts for Ram 2500 models, or 2 M10 flathead hex drive screws for Ram 3500 models. The M10 bolts require a 15mm socket. The M10 screws require a hex bit. Also install the replacement brake line bracket at this time if repairing the driver's side. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray paint. Once dry, reinstall any removed lines or brackets. Reinstall the fuel tank and rear shock, then lower and reinstall the bed.